Watch out, man. Welcome back to Toga TV, and this movie is called Perfect Lies. Someone want to know, watch it to the end, to the fullest, and comment down below on the favorite part tonight. You see me? And comment how the new actor do on the super channel. He's not really new still, but he's new over Toga TV. So, just do it right, like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself as always. Bless up.
I feel away. I feel like you might do something again.
Who that?
You mean man?
Indeed, you're overthink about that. Girl, the man your phone. Why you not go to him?
No, I'm not going to him. Girl, because I'm thinking about my bond. You know, I know say the other day, sometime last month. My friend cheat for me. You understand? So, I don't go to you, make you know, so I find out, you know. I know saying do it, but I don't have full evidence saying do it, that I think.
So you have at least one little single percent?
Yes, that's the person please saying do it.
So you don't go to him about the 1% we have?
Because I go to him, I go ask me say where the evidence there, and my word against him.
Oh.
I don't have strong evidence. Just say I don't go to him, I don't have no strong evidence say, yes, he do it. You know, but I feel like saying cheat for me.
So you actually say I'm going to cheat back?
Exactly.
How that will benefit him?
That's how benefit him.
Girl, if you cheat back for him in the way, you just go look down for you. How you think you are going to fit? How do you think you are going to look for
you? You know, look down for me because I do it more than one time. Me go see if they go find somebody who me see and like and cheat on my man. You cheat for me, I cheat back for him.
Mama, who stand there and have the same look? What a man can do, a woman cannot do it and still be a lady.
Mama, me go be a lady because I go do it with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Me I do it with one man.
It even make no sense to us my time talk here.
Well,
I'm stubborn.
No, me make up my mind already, you can't change my mind. Watch out to now. You see, when I cheat on my man, you know what I go and do? I go and show him how to cheat and don't get catch.
So boy you get catch?
How am I get catch? Give me and your friend. When me over there, so, and you see me come and say, woo-hoo.
So me I was siren?
Yes, watch, girl.
Oh, you get out of it.
Girl, you get out of it. Get one man, look man, you know one man.
Every man no want me.
You know why no man no want you came miserable?
Me not do business. Me not change that.
You have a different lifestyle.
You must know where you have to find, man. You must see you go out of port where you have to take a 1-4 taxi.
Girl,
you could have never yourself.
I have to show you how me determined say me a give money and you have to feel it. In your how me then look them man. Me not go out send James send me here nowhere.
God
right here so me a give Peter bun. Peter go and feel the bun. Yes, me a give Peter bun. You go and feel it.
I suppose you feel it.
How me feel it?
What Peter left you?
Peter can't left me. Me tie Peter like a glue. Peter can't do it up.
No believe.
I mean not get catch girl. Me not get catch. Peter need me. Oh. What's in your head?
It's even me like you. I find Peter here and me they ask him about you. And you know he feel like he want to lie to me. Me they box him down.
Girl, look for me. Me can't be Peter. Look how Peter big and look.
Give him one kick and give him one kick underneath.
Peter now feel that. At that me I tell him my foot them not so strong under Peter tough. I can't kick Peter. Peter has no farmer weakness. You understand me?
Wait till him asleep. So what kind of
notes? Tell me if you go like Peter. When Peter go so Peter go boom. Me knock out. You know help me now? You say me go beat man.
How me fi help you?
You go fight him then, for your
I
friend.
don't know
Because
nobody
me
in
not
this
understand why you talk say me go fight, man. And that's what business in a man. He beat up a little young boy the other day.
Mama, you have to stay strong. You want the man beat me instead?
Girl, you're station and a fight, man. Till I am married, done pan ground.
Mama, alive. You have to defend yourself because nobody not defend you. Can they take lick from man?
Well, me not
Must
beat
be
no
there.
man. No man go beat me, mash up me, get wrong. See me first. If you lick me I
Mama, we
defend
are
that.
woman. We can't get wrong. We are one type, so you go in front of the police or court, whatever, and dry up in your front.
And that you do.
Yes, Mama.
When you burn down the boy house and nothing no come out of it.
Mama, you have to use your front as bait to get through in life.
And that's why I go and use my front and make Peter feel bad.
If you did use the window, make nobody go in there who do so bad and too bad.
No worry yourself. Any day I see one nice, good-looking man coming up this road or coming down, it's gonna be
So why
mine.
you have to be this road? You don't think you can go through the lane, up the lane or so? Why you choose to use in the lane?
Girl, because I find my man Peter go feel it. Peter have to feel it. If I see the man every day, he will feel it down to the bone. So you know
So
what
like you already have your man, you know.
No, I not have the man.
So why you know say man then in the lane we are go like you?
Awa, me no look like a bill. No man no
Donkey
want
bike
me. And you donkey bike out of marriage showing on no man.
Mama,
You
Mama, me don't have no
donkey
man
and
by
gorilla.
choice. So better me get a man before a week done.
Get a man, make me see.
Alright, if me
You
get a
get a
man,
man.
you're not going to Peter no bun.
No, you hear that man. Me get a man before you even get a man.
Alright, we're going to show you we can get a man
Girl, you
faster.
didn't resemble someone get a man before you.
Why?
If a man see up the road right now, and I say to you, say hi. I say I go to the fight man.
And that's how me talk.
How you talk? I say you
So
so.
what you want?
No man, no one, nobody with a shout.
So what you want me say?
Hi, baby,
Me
what
boss
man?
does
Come over here,
you
so.
can't get a farm.
I just said that, no man.
Mama, me I get a man before a week done.
Anyway,
You see?
walk on go up the road.
Where you go for a good?
But man stretch my legs, you know, me outside look to man. Man stretch my legs and
Oh,
look
for
at man.
God, you think me need to come with you?
You must say I go fire man.
Me no binoculars or whatever I want. You can't find
But
man
just,
right
okay
now.
then. Just say you go
Alright, come on, come on.
Fine, man. Fine, man. You want like your heart. Where you are, you good?
Yeah, man, how are you?
They alright?
Yeah, man.
See, this a smoke. You eat from morning?
Yeah, man, meet something while ago, man.
Oh,
How is she?
I'm a friend.
Hi, friend.
Hi.
Speaking up your face, so I reach us.
I just see a man just tell me that you say I'm miserable. My face now all your skin up.
So, how you look so?
Me ever smell shit.
Shit no dey my yard.
Look like she hungry.
Probably like that.
Saying you, where the fun?
My partner not talk. Probably me say me that walk go, but my foot kinda reach over me yard. I don't know why.
So, you go up to Red God.
So I go probably go look for my cousin them. Cousin that I look for.
Eh?
Yes, somebody me say me I come yard check. Cause me don't know it over yard do.
No, do not hobby. And I know that already, man. Leave it up on the line. Just a easy backbone and one
Oh, me no know you know. Cause me spirit tell me say you over here do something. So me follow my spirit and my mind and come
so,
over
you
here.
come see me and do something?
You lean back in the chair, that's
About
all.
one first. So, you tell me say your spirit, I tell
Remember,
her
see you
wrong.
sneaky, you know. Me think you're sneaky.
That about then, me change. Me tired to tell her over and over and over.
No,
You're
man.
hard for learning.
No, me have a feeling say everything you change your clothes and your underpants when you go bed at night time. Otherwise, find that you don't change nothing.
Where you say did I go a while ago?
Up on my cousin them.
Right now, you better you take time go on here, man. Because you just
Mr. What?
yo, just link me back later.
So every time you can up your face and me talk.
Mama, don't involve me in your issue. Do me I beg you. Me skin on my face because me smell shit. That's why I want to left you so. Sure.
Where that shit there in my yard?
Shit, they are suffer true.
Any shit that say you put it there when you come. Oh shit
Mama,
put there in my yard.
This because the thing can't ram still. Come, hurry up, man.
And a puss in my yard.
I let me want to know. This
must-
is this way yard.
I must say I puss a shit.
Puss got people yard.
I must say I
If
puss a
you
shit.
come me yard, yes, yes, smell shit. Me I look for the shit.
Me not look for no shit because me not put no shit there.
Mama, come on. Come look for your so-called cousin. Come,
But
come.
it's so come back here.
You wanna stay long, you know?
Me not tell long, me dey come back and
Me
say,
a
me still
wait
not do
for you.
nothing. Me a watch you, me a hear them in my head
You
back.
say me dey wait for you.
And me dey watch you,
yeah.
and they wait for me.
Better hurry up, come back.
Me,
Yeah, dude.
I want to talk to you.
About what?
Something about me from the other day.
What about you?
Me not trust you. Me believe say you cheat. Me get straight to the point.
You don't trust me. You know
Yeah.
you say Mr. Trust dead.
Sure.
Well, me got you forward to consent him. Who tell him? I don't trust you either.
If you don't trust me,
What you mean? Got the friend that we are par with, bro. This girl bestie thing, bro. Me not trust you, bro.
sure, me tell you. That not nothing. You don't see me with one girl. That is nothing.
Bro,
Me have evidence. I have evidence. Me go in your phone when you're asleep and me see which part you can one girl come over here. You say me and this somebody they come.
Who tell her that?
And in your phone you they text your friend and tell your friend. Say this somebody still a come.
Well, this a relationship probably something I have to go get done. Cause me not trust you, you not trust me. Cause this girl bestie what you have, me not trust her.
You see when you come off a girl bestie. Me I talk about the information me see in your phone. Where you tell your friend things.
You sure you see good?
Oh, so me blind.
Oh, probably one of my friends them a text one and girl them from my phone or something. I don't know about that. Me know me loyal and me not cheat.
I see, that's why me name want to come to you, you know, that's why me name want to come to you. Okay, they go find excuse. That's all they give me over and over. Excuse this, excuse that. Alright with you? You must talk it truth.
Bro, me say me loyal, bro, me not cheat. Where you get that from, bro?
And in your phone, me see the text message.
I know me want to use my phone, you know. Tell me idiot when you see that in my phone.
Last week, Friday, 9:30.
Last week, Friday.
Yeah, I remember all the time too.
After last week, Friday, me never online. And if I'm a friend when him Tom did that text him woman, let me look. Bro, me leave a bother going on my phone go show you now. Cause you're not supposed to feel a second guess me, bro. You know say me not go nowhere. If me not there in my house, bro, me run this up on my phone already, bro. But you know, with that different thing there, me not trust you, bro.
You're lucky, you know. A friend in you.
Me
Friend.
lucky. You
And me invite girl over here.
friend come with a any no. And me not trust her. Me not like her either.
You're lucky and I feel like
She
you're
come in
not
a me
supposed to
yard
like
and
her.
she a skin up her face and push shit in a me yard. What kind of friend that?
If she smell push shit, where want she to say?
What puss are doing in a me yard?
Me know about that probably like girl we can come and piss around the rank.
You love judge people. Stop judge a book by cover, bro.
No, I don't like talking with you, you know. You just chat too much sometimes. Me I tell you, say, anything you do, I shall find out and catch you in the end. Mark my words, you know. Oh, you know, say me not laugh.
I hope you catch me good. Catch me good. Up on my phone, man.
Who that?
Okay, that girl.
Come in. Yeah, come at me at early in the morning, Conde.
Girl, me finally get you from my face. Me finally take you off. Oh,
As
God.
morning light.
Oh, God, I feel much more better. More up on the road, I'm going to feel happy.
Mama, what do you know?
Me tell him. Sometimes
Tell
he
who?
give me ball. Me tell him to me
Oh.
search your phone and see the message. Me tell the boy.
So what you say?
But girl, me still not trust him. Guess what?
What?
That dirty boy, they go give me one big old dirty excuse. Get the excuse and give me two. Friend use him phone. Like him things are yesterday, me ban. Me tell them, I go to him, you know. Kind of go find some silly excuse and try to take me for
So how you know it's your name, friend?
What friend I do with phone? Friend have phone.
So boyfriend not on the phone.
This is something I believe say. Me what if you and him a friend or me and you a friend? Cause ever they on film side.
Oh man, it's not a matter about the pan film side. You have to listen to two sides of story. I can't just listen to you alone and say, alright, you me a work with. Suppose a friend for true. Me did have one friend when me did live down some. Me and I used to share a phone. So you know when I share phone, it didn't friend for true.
You need to share a phone with a friend.
Why not?
If you let a friend on phone, make a friend delete the message him after time done. Come
Why
on,
man now nothing to hide?
well, yeah, something I hide, cause me see woman message in there. I mean, I remember me still a game bun. Just not find the man as
I
yet.
just a care, you not care then.
I mean, not care.
As in not care, that's why I just do it until I see a friend.
Well, me no know. Me just believe saying I give me bun. Me feel it, my spirit tell me, you see me go over yard. I'm a spirit figure, but me I wonder if you not smell the poor shit. If I dey stink, how I stinking girl that smell.
Mama, I shake me that smell.
You dey see the shit?
No?
I want who me should ask him about that. I want me if I want woman did over there yesterday.
No, you didn't tell me say no shit in the yard.
Cause me never see no shit, I never smell nothing. So me wonder if you turn on the side of the woman there. Oh God. Girl, me I will
You
give
don't know code. Me tell you say shit. Look out for shit. You don't want to look for the shit.
Me dey go give him bun.
You should have looked for the shit. You don't see shit.
Me make up my mind now. Me fully make up my mind. He might give me bun, me go and give him back. But I see full evidence he might give me bun.
What evidence?
The text
Shit.
message.
Oh, it text message.
The evidence is my head. My head and my mind and my heart tell me say he might give me bun and I eat me at work. Me don't need no more evidence. And then he go tell me about friend again. And then come talk about you know what me and a friend. Girl, me go on the road right now go look at man. You're lucky. Me might give him bun.
Make sure I send some man down where you have
I
your
could have
time.
one madman, he might get bun.
Alright.
Hello, pretty lady.
Hello.
I'll be a minute.
Yes, sir. Why have you fix your bike on the roadside?
I will try to back down on the roadside so I'll fix it right here. So
Oh,
the car is right here, so from the place.
where?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
You pay me now. Oh.
Oh gosh, man, make you a big smile.
So you come from?
You know what I say? I like here.
Yes.
Right here, I'm from. Professor, where you come from?
Down the road.
On your road.
Mm-hmm.
You look very nice too.
Thank you. Hopefully I'll go on my way now.
No man, I'm not finish it. You must have done.
Yeah, fix the bike. He's out here talk to me. Yeah, fix the bike. Make up your mind. What you say now?
So what is your name?
Oh, my name is Kayla. What's yours?
My name is David.
Hi, Davy.
Nice to meet you, Kayla.
Nice to meet you too, Davy.
So where you heading?
You know, so me had me a go?
Yeah.
Yes.
You hesitate to say something like that, you go somewhere else.
No, I remember where me a come from.
Where I go there, Kayla?
Lay down and sleep and watch TV. What else could I go do? Me I go do?
No. You know, so I'm not really appropriate now, and you see me with my bike broke down and sit. See, I like you still. You couldn't get your contact.
No number to do. You have woman?
I know, man.
Say woman contact me then.
I know, get to know you. Maybe tell her thanks later on.
Come to your big tour.
Oh,
On your knee. Your woman fight you and beat you?
I want dog run me down. You catch me on
Mother, brother?
you catch me on my big toe and I drop and skate on my knee.
Oh.
Like me, I rode so like in a show and bite on my big toe. I drop same time.
So your face no bust up?
Because I do soccer, so come to hand me go and chop out because I do soccer.
Come and give me contact.
What is?
The iPhone.
Still
Yes, Kayla my name.
nice to meet you. Can't wait to see you.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You look strong too.
Yeah, man.
Bye-bye.
Come here. Okay, wow.
Kayla! Kayla! Oh, Timmy, what?
Where Kayla there?
Nine hours.
Look for yourself.
Oh, I think she did that here. She
Kayla
me
left
call
your
up for.
man and say you don't go somewhere.
Now Kayla I'm gonna find you. Alive. Let me in.
Yo, I say your friend like.
Most, but I'm in. I must see somebody else gone for the road. So what? I'm gonna look up in the house. So.
They are with some woman, brother, to come and know she can't forward.
Oh God. Lifestyle.
You
You know, I go on the road.
Go do what?
No, I mean, I can go somewhere.
Go do what?
Every people got to go do now, fun, drink, smoke.
With you?
Yes.
No, sir, drinking and smoking come with the whole heap of things. No,
Stand around.
No, depend that.
Why?
No, you're not up to where you're up to.
Why not?
You think me an idiot?
No, fool.
Me go on the road, me probably have to spend money. And plus probably after you do and do good. Me not depend where you depend.
Stand around, good exercise, I can practice.
How you come for the look me or what? Are you come
Stand around, it's all like you want me look. You want me look you?
No, sir. Loyal to my money.
You know what you need? You need that woman to get like a time. See right now? She gone left you. She gone left you. God knows she gone. You use my name as excuse. But for me, it has no sense.
You know what you need to do now? Go through my gate, leave, please.
I don't know gate, I rent the
Rent and no rent, you still live somewhere. Where you live?
Me, I got it.
So you're so happy?
Because me come home to my wonderful boyfriend I have at home.
Wonderful boyfriend.
Yeah.
Where you come from?
I'm going to come from my friend Shanice. Where Shanice me I come from? Where was I come from, baby?
Which one is Shanice?
How Shanice you know? The one from my house.
You're sure where you come from?
I'm from Shanice, yeah, Mr. B.
Where you take me for? Idiot or fool? Which one?
Sure. Where make you feel idiot or fool? How Shanice me say me where they come from?
You're not avoiding a bad man.
Mommy do.
Shanice left you 5 minutes ago. Come and call, ask for you. So how you feel come from?
She come down here? I don't know if you say. I don't know if you say she come down here. And after me left from up there, she come down here.
I take man for clown.
No, me tell you. You come like she walk at the shortcut and she me walk all the way around. Come here, try to go to the store. To get some new underpants and some shorts. Come here like your pole or something.
You don't want nothing Friday, man. Can you come like you take man for you?
What a lie she a tell.
Don't touch me.
Let me see the little dirty girl there.
Don't touch me.
Yeah,
Don't touch me.
you understand? Up there, me say me a come back. Who you gonna believe? Me or she? Which one we gonna
No,
believe?
she, because she come here not too long, 5 minutes ago. Why? Come and call you. So how you feel come
I
from?
bet you say you still dirty girl like you want. I say you dirty girl there. I say if you don't call people your friend.
Yo, you know what to? Come out of this bomb.
No.
Yo, don't touch me. No,
Me.
this bomb.
Say you dirty girl Chinese. Come man. Talk to you later. Hello. Hi, Daddy.
Good. What going about that? That's his father. There, man, the elephant.
You see me have to just, brother, you don't even know that, right? I'm stressed out, bad man.
What going with it?
But my girl, brother, give me problem, brother. I have some trust issue with the girl, bad man. Brother, you don't even know if it's start all this.
No one here. The man girl lying with that. You like it sneaking. You see me say you have to dip on your P's and your Q's with them a girl, bro. You see, they say them a go shop. Just look out here, then say they reach downtown. Then they after them a program.
I even, brother, I'm fed up and stressed out now. I see my girl move somewhere for a while, bro. I'm paranoid, I'm skeptic, bro, because I don't know if I have to trust her or if I don't have to trust her.
Boy, man.
Bro, alright. What do you tell me say my linking friend deal?
Yeah.
My friend come call me. I call her and ask me for her. And he say my linking friend. So what kind of style? I believe say someone else man she have for me, you know.
She say she a go link her friend. And her friend gonna link you for
yeah.
her.
The friend that where she said she have a link. Come call her.
That the thing says the next man attention. She a get, you know.
Right now I'm just a play fool to catch the wise, you know, that. Because you say, you know, me ever find out, so I burn this again and give me.
Bro, don't make no girl put yourself in a problem, you know. We tell you all the while, don't put all the egg them in a one basket.
So what you mean by?
Don't put the Easter around the corner, pay your bun and get right now.
So what you mean by? Where I try to tell me, say, my woman give me bun.
You know, see yourself. If you should tell her, say she gonna link her friend and her friend gonna link you for her. What I say, no bunny I get that.
So how are you sure of that?
Common sense, brother. Common sense.
A long time she left here, you know, so probably she can't get something to eat or go somewhere else, you don't know, you don't have to man yard. So why you have to think that you have to man yard? And I can't chat about bud.
Come like when common sense I give you never go in there like.
Bro, you're not a good friend, bro.
I mean, me a good
Bro,
friend.
you're not a good friend, dog. Cause if you had a good friend, bro, you wouldn't think some woman I give me bun, dog.
Bad man, listen no man.
Yeah, listen.
Me not tell you no foolish. A girl I give a bun.
Yo, you have to say that. Cause you're not a good friend.
Don't put it. See me I
Bro,
tell you,
bro,
last time
bro,
I
me
tell
know
you,
you're not a friend,
don't
bro.
put the egg them in one basket.
Well, bro, just easy, man.
Alright, so you know nothing. Right? Well, if your girlfriend tell you say, darling careful, and your friend come over. That don't mean say he gone somewhere else then.
How you tell me? You look nice, sir.
Thanks, you look nice every day.
Man say that. So you say I'm going. Serious about me?
Yes! I'm not serious about it, I text you every day.
I'm not there with nobody and they have no money. You know, man.
Me nah no man, tell me. If me did have a man, why would I text you? Why me dey text you every 24 so I'm there at night, 2 o'clock in the night. Me I text you.
No, you
What
understand?
fact, you have woman you attack?
No. The only woman might be me have on my bike. I hit me ride every day.
Oh.
The only woman could have sent me.
Well, me no have no man. The only man me have on my phone. Yes, me not no man. Single and free.
So that means me I can't get together then.
Yeah. We can make it work as long as you not give on.
No, not even from Easter, I not give on. Right now, that's why I left my other work, you know. Because I say Easter time and everybody have to find somebody to give on. I say, I don't do that. I left it to eat my work. To show you how I'm loyal.
I'm loyal. I'm delusional.
That you call it.
Bun was somebody eating and I want to give nobody? Oh, that makes
No
sense.
type of bun, you know.
Oh, that makes sense.
No type of bun. Not even bunny, not even bunny rabbit. That's why I'm not a rabbit neither. You hear nice though, so listen.
You kinda get later now still. Me have to go home to go cook some food for my mother. My mother dropped down the other day and get sick, so me have to go home now. I realize the time as me look for myself.
So you can't get some idea.
Some other time, man, I come visit your yard.
You can't share that.
No, my mother over there, me have to introduce my mother to you.
Alright.
You know, my mother very funny. Some of the two people over there. Cause she will see they come and make one bag of nice and don't know you. Yeah, so I'm not over there. You understand? So me I come go because the time really I get late. I think it can be fun for me.
Before that though, what we really call it for you.
It's what?
So me then I'm not sure.
Yeah, we're there. We don't want a relationship.
Alright, now you have no other man.
I have no other man. I swear on you like I don't have any man.
Alright.
Yes.
I'm going to reach home. Tell my madam say hi.
Yeah, me shall tell mother say hi. Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oi.
Adia.
But so why are you so happy? What's with you?
I miss me long time best friend from the year. She said to tell her hi.
Come here. So you're right. You know I feel like
The phone, me don't remember the password.
What do you mean I don't remember your password?
No, me don't remember the password. Me just can't remember the password.
Give me your phone. Pull your phone here.
And the password me can't remember. Me just say me don't remember the person to get it for me. I get the phone.
Let me feel that.
I must say this screen change. So me don't if it's ID now work.
I'm still around your time. Because you have to pull that today.
Jesus, check that. Are your name?
You have to pull that today.
You know, make your phone tell me.
Don't touch
Come here,
me.
son.
Don't touch me. Pull your phone.
For the other days I get aggressive for me.
You say pull the phone.
I say the phone now work. You not hear me I say, me don't know the password. Me the phone stay. Pull your phone, give me. Do that. Pull your phone, give me.
Hey, you don't need to pull my phone, brother. I know that to him. No, my password not change. The point is your phone.
Well,
Your phone.
I mean not hide. See there? Oh, the armband. Lucky where I go, I just knock off. If I remember the password. See there?
Brother.
See there.
How old is that?
I'm a new cousin. I'm meant to come tell you.
So how me not know this a cousin?
Cause he knew what he me get his number.
And he must send a them a text and a reply, so.
Yes, if you know one, I'm a cousin.
Yo, how old is that?
It's my cousin, my new cousin.
You idiot, girl.
Maybe take a for idiot.
What kind of cousin that the man may be?
New cousin, and you say new. And the other day, my mother introduced me to him. I must get to know one another bit. Don't worry yourself, I'm a cousin.
Yo, you know, brother.
I'm a new cousin, man.
Yo, you know what, bro?
Come.
True, me love you, you know that.
Me love you too.
Bro, me don't want to have that thought that, bro, in my mind say, oh, you didn't give me no bone. So.
No, I will never give you bun beef.
True, me love you, you know that.
Me love you when I yell when me want me not need nobody else.
Just make sure you don't give me no bone.
Me not give no bun, why would I give
Me
you?
there, I kick it real with you, you know.
I hit me I do too. I hit me the other day, me see text message in my phone, you know. You tell me about how you bridge now your phone. Well, I'm a cousin. Let me understand.
So yeah, you.
Me not do no. You can't look for something to eat. Me hungry. Look for something to eat. Don't worry about that. Me love yourself yet. If I want to cook chicken or something, anything we have. Me get something.
Alright.
Yeah. I go to this garden to chat here.
Don't say I did, you know.
Same thing as usual, as I go and see me can.
I can't see you from when
You know me? Eh?
I don't know really.
Go club. Go club my best place, brother. Cause right now I tell you some things I see in life, you know. You can't
Rum make you see things.
Huh?
Rum make you see things.
So his spirit, you get his spirit. The spirit is always the best way for revealing stuff, is confidence. You never know that? Eh? You never know that? If you understand life, bro.
Me want is the board. Run after me boy, see? I tell me say, see woman tell him say I go check him friend, right? But when he check a stock in there in the house, and the friend when woman say I go check, come and look for her. No bunny ma get.
No, sir, you might get what is called justice.
Sorry. Really?
Alright, no problem, man. Bringing in the sheep. Reach a justice. Let me tell you
By
something.
justice.
You see, when me find out that my woman give me bun, me not call the bun again. Because it's a must. You understand? It's a must. Because you know, you work 100,000. When you give 95 and take 5, and you feel like so she appreciate your gesture. And you take it go down? Hot up yourself. No! You see now, listen.
Oh, some of them will
She
take it.
go hot up herself and go with her friend, them go look. You understand what I say? Some of them take you and give money, yes, but then every one of them stays up.
Well, my brother say him not get bun. And me tell him the truth, say him get bun. And me been at him, no, don't put all the egg in one basket.
I was trying to bridge them again. Yeah, talk about it.
So is this some man, TV?
TV?
Yeah.
TV, I idiot, you know? You know what's an idiot? How much time I tell the man, say, yo, I can go and free your mind? Eh? Why we are running human and for spend half of them? We are running them down for spend for money. We work hard and we get the money now. We are, hello, please, can I get a conversation? And then when them do now feel like say, then give you a chance. And you have to spend on them? Hey, you see, justice is what we need in life. You know, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. I know that you're not getting.
You're drunk, pal.
No, I'm drunk. What is drunk? Eh?
Oh, yeah, go on, you know.
No, I'm free. You ask me, I say, I look for you, you're stiff. You said to your time, sir. Like you're a robot. No, brother, you're loose up yourself, man.
Pal, come on down,
Come on, you go on down. Come up.
So we are going
You if you come up, eh?
You go on the road?
Me there on the road, you see this. I don't
call your sister for you, cause
no,
last
no,
time
no,
you drunk in
no,
and
no,
then trim me, you know.
don't call her, you know, cause right now, box out the next teeth, you know. Cause you see, he have 3 teeth. I will tell you, yo.
Don't move. Don't
Yo.
call your sister.
Don't call her, bro. She gonna take me room. Yo!
I'll go and back now.
Yeah, man, how do you?
There, man, I'm funny, sir.
Yes, I feel the machine, though.
Oh, this year up on the road.
What do you mean, man?
You want to fix up, too?
Tell them worry about.
Ready, pan.
Yeah, man, I'm holding it now.
You don't really come check up on no.
What that?
Is the thing where they woman chat to me. What the boy or woman? Yeah, it's out out. I know it's out here.
No, dog. I don't know.
See you get down to the bottom of it yet.
No, brother. I'm not trying to say one bag of things are going, brother. Think it's easy if you get over and get done too.
It's a Paul, you know. And me a show Paul a pre, say. Feel be a do very. But you near and I run my tell about something about justice I get down, but me call him the next day. When he's sober and fresh, I say, boy, it's like a bunny I get. And you need to sort it out. Because you know a man them will look on yours, I idiot.
No funny, brother. God no.
Worse if I man in a lane, they might chat to you. You know if a man will laugh over you.
I'm not think so, you know. Yo, between me and you, dog, you think some woman will give me bun for real?
Me think she'll get a bun. You know why?
Why?
Because there's no way she tell us that she gone somewhere and he end up that she not gone nowhere. Why should they explain and tell us that she go?
No, I don't know if I salt no one salt so better or whatever, but
Open your eye, man, see she a grow on you, bro.
you need to go on science, man.
You know what you need to do? Take her out to your house, that you need to do.
Try moving somebody else.
Moving a proper girl. They were really a loose girl for a long time, brother. For a long time, your dog tell you. But he'll make you link to you. And you're still in it. I say you look strong.
I really want to let that girl that's still in her, brother.
Yeah, we can't tell her what to do. You know. We just can't tell her what happened. But only thing I tell her is, if you see her on a mission or nothing, me know that me I can't tell her that.
But I don't want you and
If
Paul
you don't want, what?
But I don't want you and Paul want no money, no.
When me and Paul, you know me have my woman over my yard. When me I do it for you, take her head.
That not say. Right want to come and come both.
We are telling you the right thing.
You sure, man? Because I know how no friends stay, you know.
You know, so you see that this is the thing we don't like, go tell her, you know. You always want to make me feel like me a lie to you, bro.
You're a bad man, let me see that for myself.
Or make me feel like I want to.
I'm fed up and tired of this now, bro. Let me feel that for myself or see that for myself.
So you don't believe say woman a cheat?
I not say it's impossible, but let me see that for myself. Because I know how no friends stay, you know, brother. Every day you come on me and work, woman I give you bun, this, that. I want to know one woman.
Make sure you tell her this, you know. If me see her on no apps, I don't nothing. I straight over here, me and come. If you don't want to listen, Don't know if you don't listen, man, then go laugh off you and take him heed that. You can't make love a day, so brother.
Brother, you better stop chat, brother.
Now look at me.
Better just lift up out of me.
Now look at me. You're not here.
Yeah, man, take your time, go on.
Like as me I say, it not go work out. Me think it a go work out because me need a man. I want a man me want. Me no want a boy. If me talk to you about something I say, never mind and this and that and one bag of something. You not work right. You not go work out at all. Yes, because you cost one bag of pepper with me, my man and me yard, and you not give me no joy or nothing. So it not go work out. Yeah man, it not work, me sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Auntie, you look fat. Can't talk to me no more. Can't talk to me, you look fat.
Me just know you got to tell me problems then.
Or yourself, man. Alright, first
Good
to solve
evening, good
all
evening.
problems. Alright,
Good
Auntie, big up.
evening.
Alright, first to solve all problems. You say your sun bright. Someone is not bright. I like how you look, man. See, you see you smile there already. Don't be sad, man.
No, that's not like a problem. Like my boyfriend, he just break up with me and gone.
Yeah, if you just
He
listen
just give me
where, yeah, if
bun.
you just listen where the world I go to, I know. Yeah, see if your man not be right thing. Yeah, if you just listen.
No, no, me left him, do I him left me?
I nah tell you what to do stay, but
No man, he already left me. Me single right now. He already left me.
ready to mingle. Me always see
No
and
man,
add my skill and I kinda like it slim thing, you know.
me kinda like a chubby thing too.
You watch you, man.
See me living all nice. Comfortable pillow this, you know.
Put a number in my
Yeah, me
phone.
give me number.
So what your name do?
My name is Kayla, what's yours?
One JR didn't call me.
Alright, JR.
I'm
But-
gonna say again because I don't like me I go out on a nice little date.
You can't see me anytime, just ring me bird.
So what about later then? 'Cause me nah know
Later,
now
you can call me later, you can call me anytime you want to call me.
and that me I go look bad.
But me come down the road I know, but if I call my phone and you know about my background, I'm I'm living with my father kind of sickly. Me have heart disease.
So what you be?
Me?
Hmm.
Me a big woman, man. Me a 19.
You don't see you still live with your father.
No, my
and
father sickly. So I make him turn in the house. I live by myself in a but my father moving last year.
me get
Me have heart disease, heart failure and then something there.
I mean, yeah, talk, you know, them the thing there. Say, from here in my life, you don't have to worry about no
Yeah.
money we spend for you.
That's why.
Like a problem, you know.
Yeah, that's why my man did left me too, because he said he can't with the problem. Father sick, me say sick. I don't have this alone, I have all type of disease. Or sometimes he talk foolishness. I shoot up a place and something. So if you understand, if you call me, you know, man, at the background, so I'm father, I tell you for now.
No, I know your father, me I deal with that, you, me I deal with that.
Oh,
Don't have no problem.
yes.
Once me I hear from you, me go, okay.
Alright, no worry about why in the background.
I'll pay that no mind, man. What make sure I not lie, I tell me still.
No, I will never tell you a lie, I don't tell a lie.
Later, me see you
Alright,
finish the
later.
conversation, yeah?
Where you go now?
I don't find the road that's what I
Alright,
go
later.
think I want. Not the way they like.
No, me not gonna go nowhere. Me already find you already. Me need to go down the road. Right, later, go on.
Me call, eh?
Yeah, call me.
Alright.
Bye-bye. As one gone, another one come. Yes, you dirty girl.
Oh, yeah, I come from.
Where you come from?
So you know me there on yourself.
Because if you don't run at the front, you don't run at the back, I do
Where
something.
are?
I meant to attack you from the other day about something.
Come attack me.
Oh, you feel come over my man yard and go tell me man say, me don't come in your yard.
You don't come on me yard?
Girl, I come in your yard in the day, remember good say me come at your yard.
So what me did there?
You was there and me come in your yard. You know tell the man say me come in your
So
yard.
if you come on me yard, or me reach here yard, I look for you.
Remember say after me come in your yard, you know, me left here and go about my business. Who
Where you
send
go?
you at me
Where you
yard?
go?
That's not your business. Me go link me other man. Who send you at me
No,
yard?
you should have told me say I go like the other man. so
You
me
don't
go
need
to the
to
man
know
there.
my business. You have sense. You don't do my man yard. We have
Me go to him, go tell him, go
Go
look
do
for you.
what?
Me da look for
Why
you.
you look for me for me last?
Mama,
Me
me
lost.
look for you to tell you something, but I did not see.
We didn't want to tell me so
And I remember.
important that it have to be important for you reach. I mean, man, that 10 months I never come here yard.
Me
you know.
don't remember.
A friend like a uno me no like.
A girl pity like a uno man no want.
I want
You need to
mean.
make up your mind if I him you want or him you want. You can't tell me say you got him. And when me go to him, I him you did there.
You're supposed to know that.
No, I'm not supposed to know.
You're supposed to have sense. I
You
say-
supposed to have sense, your girl pick me. A one man. If you don't want the man, left the man alone.
So who tell me no want me, man?
Then what you do with Davy?
Breaking news. The relationship done.
Good. Never makes
Is the
sense.
next man me have now, a chubby belly man. He nice and short. New man me have now. What the problem? What the issue?
Your girl pick me, you're not supposed to go from man to man to man to man.
Me supposed to go from man to man. One man can't manage me. One man can't manage
Why
all
not
of
let's
this.
that one day?
No, I'm a man that.
So what you do with big belly man? What did the pump?
No, you're not come bash my man belly. I don't know testimony. You're not come bash him belly. It's called comfort. In belly now black. No, why I've done that.
Well, for your business, you must know you want it.
My
Something
girl.
black or something not black.
Me ask you one good question. Why you so eager for me left my
Because
man?
a man like that deserve better.
How you know say deserve better? You
Because me know him.
Girl, you make me pray, you know.
Pray me all you want, but me a pray you.
You make me pray
You move like an undercover whore.
No, you come like an undercover tech friend, man.
Mama, if me did want him, me take him yesterday when me guy me there, you never did here. He did put sweetheart to me, never know. So think again.
What's the man that do?
Nothing. Think again.
Man that put sweetheart to you.
Stop move like an undercover whore and talk to this, that. Stick to the one man.
Alright.
It's not the money.
Make it on, make it stay. Make it stay. It's like what me I do, it a hurt you. What me I do, it a hurt you. Are you a man?
Mama not.
None of them is not your man. So why
Me your friend. If me want to go to the road, you hear say Kayla and her whore friend.
You know what? Me will cut the conversation right here so. Cause what I get is open my eyes brightly. No, me feel like me know where you come and me I go do yesterday, you know.
Come here, come look for you.
Feel like say no me you come look for me. You have sense, girl. You know say me not be a me yard.
If me did come look for your man, would I collect him number?
Don't worry yourself. Over me they go. Me got me right now. Me am going to have powder.
And try to beat the boy. Boy come like them idiot.
Babe. Sit the foot for me kick up on your sick foot.
What?
How my friend come over here the other day, yeah, right? And you sweet talk or you look her. What that for?
Which one of your friend?
Shanice.
Me a sweet talk, Shanice.
Yeah, she say you sweet talk or you look her. How that go? Tell me how that go now. And the day me come in here, cuss me like one of the most sweet. And I tell me say my friend say me not come over there.
And girl come and look me. I tell me say yo, she want me carry her out. I'm running her through the gate.
No man, I lie.
What you mean
That
about a
sound
lie?
like I want lie. It's a very big lie. You know, so if any other day I don't trust you, if any other day I feel like you give me bun.
You don't say everybody else listen to me. When you come on to me, you don't want to listen to me.
So why you not tell me say she has sweet talk if any day? You there look her.
I would have to ring her phone and put you back.
You know I say I wanna me father friend and father brethren like you have a piece of work to give me father. Piece of hustling. A piece of hustling you have to give me father.
Yeah, hello? Hello?
Hello? Yeah, me just reaching and I talk to my father. That's why I could answer the first time. Yeah man, they can spell me man, they can come later. Later we can go out. What time later?
Anytime I go to the man, anytime I go to the now it's possible.
No. Me I go beat my father and something. So later 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock good or 8 o'clock too late?
Well, as I say, anytime okay, you say me 8 o'clock, so yeah, it's sound great.
Alright, 8 o'clock then.
Alright, so when I go get ready, you just call me and let me know so you can be at the right time and where.
Alright. Yeah. Later, yeah?
Yeah, because we are said, a girl come out with your friend with me, which is your friend, Shanice.
Me don't have for that. Me I go here was in get it, but this later just get a call say my grandmother dropped down. So later me go to hospital and I visiting time. Me soon left anyways. Me all was to eat before me left. Here?
Alright.
Yeah. No worry about that, me believe in me. No worry. Me know you know what I'm like a scabby girl there.
Every time I just come here, you want to cut left me.
No worry about that.
I don't trust that guy.
Me not come me can't go in there, me come to stay. Remember say my father have heart disease, we can't stand too long. Since that father come up here, me have to go now by 6 o'clock.
Come here, listen, man. You know you're going like say you can grow on me.
Me not go around you, baby. Me not go around you, but my father come first. Me know in the car come and go call too long and he heart go skip a beat.
No, that's what I say. Yes, your father come first, but me in our relationship, me come first also. Me not go tell you
Mama,
to
say me
put your
get-
father over me, but that's what me I say. You have to have time for your relationship.
Me had time for my relationship the other night with the bar. That was time.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, me never did a rush it 'cause we have a drink. And
Then
when we
after,
drink,
yes.
yeah, but you never come home with me. And now we finally no listen, you know what take no time. Me a
have to
boy.
do it too,
No,
man.
you say me a boy, me not like it quickie, but if me have to take it, me take it. That's what it says. Boy, you say you're nice and pretty.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, you gotta be quick. Hurry up, come father, come. Pull him up.
Are you watch out? I'm getting nervous.
Alright. Jesus, it's not funny that. It's horrible. Oh,
Alright, call me here.
yeah.
Alright. You're not gonna give me nothing.
Me,
Where you come from?
I go back with my uncle.
I come back bend up so.
I said my uncle, he makes some porridge, some caramel porridge and pudding and cake and one bag of something. I mean to say me chewy and me greedy, me eat everything.
So you tell me say from morning you left out of yard, no you not come back.
Me don't eat, babe.
But even if I'm not a fair man, see how look ramen me have to make.
My man me cook something better give you, but me don't feel like I make me something better, but I'm hurt.
You know say me, you know say me believe say you appeal me.
Baby, now I don't feel a be nice, so me I sleep with you, babe.
So where they from morning?
I'm my uncle, me there, he look, but me want for the porridge, man. The porridge is too water, he has too all curry in the porridge.
The wicked uncle man.
Me know them kill me, me want to chew anytime for do something for me name do it.
Probably can't cook, you know, next time I'm in front of him, man.
I'm going like...
Go on in, man, I make some tea here. So uncle wicked, man.
Watch out, man.
That is bad charges.
I deal with a long time, I see you youth.
If you tell her that.
Boy, I tell you, say, woke up me a weird youth. I was shoot out on the road a long time, I even do two flossing.
You have to go on there in there, you know, that car. Right now, I woke up me a weird to dog, me have to put in some dog, because you know. All the bills we have to pay in a dog, and for my mom, it's not working up, so. You have to press the line hard, dog.
Before you tell her, I say, get up now, work time. What you do, youth?
The girl something dog, you know, feel good for when I know. So you need to work what you still in a dog. But in top, kind of feel so good.
I see him girl like that. When me hear the argument in the street says she a cheat on you.
But I don't believe so not go so dog.
Boy, if somebody I tell her he come like he nearly go so, or he go so.
No dog, like me I go set up for watch her for me.
So what you take me for? Watch man. Never you tell a man if you watch a woman.
Bro,
Me a virgin, yes.
Bro, I told me trust her, bro, and rate her, bro.
But when in a relationship mash up now, you go say me come tell a business now, and then your woman I go hate me. Allow me no business if you want to hate me. But me no business on the relationship problem.
As a G, you never can do nothing for me, brother. You stand to dog.
Brother, stop most of that. I might make people here talk them foolish and they are going like I just know we link bill. A long time I'm a G and you.
Bro, true, me trust you, bro, I rate her, bro. I don't believe in how people are say dog I rate brother tell me about me girl, dog. You're supposed to can watch a girl for me, dog, and come make me know if I true people are chat, dog.
Watch you know, man. Remember say no. Me know over here for one long period of time, you know. Remember see your sister did that tell lie for me so me take out sitting out in room and me never do that, you know. So me did just ease off from over here telling you, brother. Remember say me did over here so every day we there, you know. And you over for me every day we have floss and a bra, you know. So me not even know your woman, how your woman look. Me good see him a road right now and walk past him.
You know that, you know what I'm saying and talk.
Yes, so me turn up, you see me a grown, you mean me a grown, you think?
If you did willing or interested, bro, you could have let me show you my woman, bro.
No, but why me like a G or just run come up and tell me to show you, man?
Me will show you my woman, bro. I want to watch it right for me, bro.
Brother, me not do them the job there, I'm general, you know. But me say, and I like if me not see her on the road, I do something, me not go and tell her. You see me come I make no woman disrespect me nigga. So me nah can't tell you, but me no watch man. Nobody now watch my woman for me, you know.
Yo,
me alone if you watch it.
Listen man, me more to believe you dog when you come tell me things dog. Me not gonna believe the rest of them dog.
Well, when me see her. Just send me a picture from WhatsApp, but me not really know watch man.
Alright.
Yo, me even want no picture from your woman together. You and your woman start out a relationship.
Nah, man.
Because if you hear say I'm cheap, brother, you have to just 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Somebody can't tell you one something and you don't believe it. You have to believe, brother, in a girl nowadays. Most of them don't loyal.
I'm pray that. I'm can run up on the road.
Where you run up on the road?
Yeah, man, link up. I'll grab some things dog.
Alright, what are the day I'm going to link you dog? Because if you get pay any moment now, so
yeah, I have a drink one of the
right.
day, man.
I eat me a look boy. You get it? Alright, my father. I say alright.
Yeah.
I go check on father. Well on there. That's it. B! TB! Yes, I know, baby. That's how when.
Alright now, I don't mind you just lay down on my bed with my whole day.
We can't spend 2 minutes, but we can't stand too long because my father have heart disease. I have to watch him.
Oh, you take for 2 minutes, man?
But remember my father come first. I can't do them someday.
It's not me, I say, man. You know, so I have to pay somebody to see their father because I can't, but I have the little time there, you know.
I going to go do for true.
I don't work every time there. For me time and all on 2 hours more in here.
Alright. Me I come on now.
Funny thing and jiggle.
Me I come on now. Give me 1 hour or so. Oh, leave my father's here.
Well, yeah, but do some different things.
Me I look for my father so me left nothing not doing so me can't stand longer. And cook us. So give me 1 hour.
Alright. Let me call you again and come there wait for him here.
Alright. Baby! This will come out. Me say, what do you? My grandmother just drop and slip out her knee. So come back here?
Just stay long enough.
Me not tell her my grandmother man, wait.
Very good. Call that boy, yeah, man. Give him a 1 minute, idea. Yo, bro.
Hey, you
There one, how are you?
No, I say up on my block, me the door boy, want to look filthy, come link me, so she me and wait for you there,
Boy, I'm just saying, I come get a link.
I mean, man, you know you're a friend, man. Father, man, I'll go and beat off a flask around before my check in.
Alright, then I'll forward enough you.
Alright.
You know that I really care, man. You will feel tree good enough.
Finally reached.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Alright. Guess what that's all. Now we're going to the house.
No, man, in the first water now, the only time you have to go in there so when we are going to start the football match.
Oh,
right now, we have set up seats, so we're not ready to go in there to kick off the ball.
So get up, sit down there now.
We just say where you're going. You can't see your man sit down, you can't tell me if you want to sit down. Sit down for your man foot. Watch, Shana, man.
Alright. Say alright. Say this and I'll make you reminisce more me.
So I'm saying, alright, now tell us, when you give me it one time. But we hear that thing, I'm saying, you're a good ton boy and a mad man.
Yeah, I'm mad out.
Not even work, I don't want to think.
You have to go work. If you don't go work, how you going to make money? How you going to feed me?
Right now, I see, like, my mind steady, I'm very focused.
Me, I want the one root yourself, I want to root up. I want a new one. I the one you meet me now. You can change it.
I was like, I'm pull up the other day to too.
Mm-hmm.
I got deal with the same man.
Yeah.
You know, say, I might be the I feel
Yes.
good, you know.
Me, I want to know. Like. I alone me want, I don't want nobody else.
You serious?
Yeah. Me do somebody that me have you.
So it's like, come like, me really find my man.
Yeah. Me forever. Me soon moving in about after me leave my father.
You get it?
Long time.
You say up for few days, I feel like it.
No, tell you, so if you come link you, so me say me I come look for you. Because me need you sleep, me not sleep, you know.
But me, so right now, I'm not just long run a pattern, you know, just to enjoy ourselves.
Mm-hmm, you can't do that. Can't do all of that.
Yeah, look how much money I have on the account.
What is man? Kayla. How him?
How you to him?
Me say how him.
What, gentleman?
Me say how him.
Friend of my friend.
How would the girl let you?
How would a girl let you? I'm a woman.
You reach to the end of the movie. Remember to like, share and subscribe and drop your honest comment down below as usual. You understand? And share the movie to your family and friends. No, share the movie, man. Share them. You see me? Share it, go make it go global, big, man. You see me? Big up. Welcome back to Toga TV, and this is part 2 of Perfect Lies. If you never watch part 1 and you're new to the channel, you see that little something pop up any side of the screen, click it and it will bring us straight to part 1. You understand? So if you now watch part 1 and you click on this, please go watch part 1 and come back to this video. You understand? And remember, like, share and subscribe. Share the video them to no family member, man, yard and abroad. You see me? And comment on the honest comment down in the comment section. Bless up on yourself.
Me a face, you know. Me never know say a woman that there, you know. Remember, say me no know how your woman none at all, you know. So you make it look like say a mirror.
Bro, let me tell you this, dog. You see how trying today, bro? Me don't want no friend for you, dog.
So you gonna make you
Yo.
move, dog?
Yo, just know say a normal pre-brethren. Me don't want no friend me say for you, bro.
Just listen to me, I say that
Yo.
me a fought from too far. Just hear me, I
Man,
say
me
no.
can't catch you in your lap in a bad man.
Just listen to me, I say no. My woman tell you about not like what your woman, you know. I hear woman fully, me not nothing to do with you, no. Yo, brother, just listen to me, I say no, brother, I'm sorry about all
Yeah,
this, dog.
believe
And
I do
my
me that,
fault,
dog.
youth.
Can't believe you do me that, dog.
Dog, me don't even know what else to say now, dog. Me don't even know what me fi say to you. You can't just put the blame on me alone, you know. Me never know your woman in a lie. Me know your woman in a dog.
Yo,
No,
dog,
man, a pre man like some little
pre,
pea friend, dog.
Yo, dog, I see you, brother. Dog, a normal pre, bro.
That's after your pre thing, I know.
Yo, just normal pre, me dog.
Who that?
Trisha, me girl.
Where you are?
Girl, you look something happened the other day. Me get a seat.
What happened the other day? Girl, if you sit up on me shit.
Where the?
No, where your body come from?
What your man face when I have?
What you want?
Girl, big drama. Mama,
You find new man?
mama.
You
You think I find new man? If I didn't find new man, it would do so bad.
How are you do so?
Me tell you this, girl. Me did you know. And one day after me cut off everything with Davy. Cause he not go night, he like a too much little boy. When me look, me see one big chubby belly. When my big chubby belly boy, me tell about me boy start link. No to find out.
So you still go give the first man bun?
Yeah, girl. Girl, me tell her this too, girl. Me come closer to me. No, me like you know, you me say everybody no go chat my business, girl.
Mama, not because me no know, me say nobody no know.
The big chubby belly man and me man a puppy and Tibby a virgin.
Friend.
Mama, me get catch.
How was it?
Mama, it was not pretty.
You see?
It was not
right now,
pretty.
me not sorry for you, no. You know why me not sorry for you? Who can hear feel?
No, girl. Right now, Tibby no their yard. Tibby their mother.
So you plan to do?
Mother. You say their mother, eh?
So you do left you?
Tibby can't let me hear that.
So what you plan to do? We are go pick?
Mama, me not pick. No, I still told them my man me go find a way how to fix it.
So you not left none?
No. Right now. If me gonna get another one pan the side, I put another one pan the side.
You want too much man right now, girl. If you do like me, stay single.
Girl, you feel like my little man be the night time alone like how you want.
No, me not alone. Me have my phone.
Aloneliness that can. Me want man. See the rub up on my body. But as me I say, girl, me did you know? Me tell you what happened to. Tibi text me one. No. Puppy text me one day and me asleep.
So wait, they told them living in one place?
No, man. Call me. I say me live with Tibi a yard.
So which part puppy live? 9 Lane?
No, man. On the other side of the lane.
Oh, so at least you have the art.
Me didn't know, girl. Me asleep that dreamboat me two man them one time. You understand? And look.
Me not understand.
Me a dream about the two of them one time. Me a dream about me a give the two of them bun. That me a dream about. Now me didn't know, girl. Me get me hear my phone go ring. Me answer a puppy. But instead of answer a phone, puppy call me look too stuff. Say me see Tibi. What me not see Tibi, you know? Girl. When me a left active that me see they come. I can't talk about you no feel good. Me say go and let them soon come. You know how you no feel good in 5 times left out of the yard. Boy say no feel good enough. When the boy say no feel good enough.
If you not somebody see and tell him?
No.
For sure. So you know see up there.
Because Tibi tell me reach down. And he come in the yard before he left.
Oh.
Call him friend, tell him if you can link him before me come. But through me walk too fast, me go up there. When me go there, me send a puppy lap so. Me send a puppy lap, girl, I want to chill like this puppy in the yard. One just like a, no one like this, you know. No, a different one, but I want to chill some similar to this, right? When I saw girls have to jump up quick, so whoop! When I see Tibi they come, get me have to get up.
So should I talk to after?
Girl, me say I chat to the two of them, me say chat to puppy from when. Me give puppy a little break, me fix me and Tibi thing. Tibi they run on me, say Tibi they a villa. Run on mother. And me they go look for when they find the you know, cause me want back me man a yard. But me still a link with puppy come visit me 1 and 2 times, and night time and daytime.
Over the yard?
Yeah.
You know you're bright and feisty, mama. How you fi care man of the man yard? You fi thank God to the man never throw you out.
No,
He left
girl.
instead of to throw you
No,
out.
girl. Who did tell me, Timmy?
You know say a woman like
Timmy
you.
fuck up and go.
A woman like you make man cheat.
Timmy no over cheat. Timmy's a damn blast. Timmy love me like a cook food. And me take Timmy virgin to you know. You know like me and Timmy
That's
the girl.
a fool.
Yes, out a long time.
Well, right now I am setting up my life better.
With a single dirty self.
Oh, you know me single.
You have man.
No worry your head about that.
You don't cut nobody right now.
When last you come over here? Did I see I'm room change? When last you go look for me?
I let me realize you change up a room, but throw me in a business, cause right now.
Yeah, think about your man.
Yes, me I go look for puppy. And then probably tomorrow I'm gonna look for TB.
So puppy belly still big?
It's still big and comfortable. You need a big belly man.
Nothing me need one.
You need one. So like you what can't take nothing need one of that. The
Go on. Walk. Oi!
What? Mama, buy better fan.
Mama, take good man.
After me want for me and your bright. Me for the man.
Mama.
Shield.
Mama.
What?
Me have shield for me fan of the bed.
Take out him.
Me no want put it on. Me want get enough breeze. Then go cross himself. True.
I go on now, mommy.
Right now, you me come board.
What me do?
Me tired to talk to you. Me no know why you always sit down and a drink and a smoke every day of your life sake of one girl. Like no more woman no day in the world. Look here, I know some grow you. You are my only son. And me no want you make woman mad you. Why you have to drink and a smoke so like a idiot? Look there. I know you're not done. Look there.
Cause me stressed out, mommy.
Stress out sake of one girl. That girl. Why make your name out of garbage pan? And if she don't make your name out of garbage pan, she gonna make you kill herself.
You know how much money me spend on the girl?
No,
Me love her.
Yeah, me understand.
She me give me heart.
No man, the feelings is mutual between you and she, me understand. But you need to look into it and know say, you love her more than how she love you. That girl don't love you, she like what you do for her. Love, she love what you can do and what you can give her. You know see it? All your friends them are road that tell about it. Me warn you about it. Me carry you go to church with pastor. Counsel you and talk to you about it. And you still do it until now you drink one drink back of one another. I say you smoke one, you take one like the other. I want to you.
Why, mommy? Me not tell her a lie still, you know, but girl, they have me weak. Swear, have me weak.
Baby, you sit down and stress out about where you give one woman. You know how much man there in the world give woman more than where you give this a one girl. And worse than that happen. And then move on and I live a better life. Why you really want to sit down? No, talk you got you now. Why you really want to sit down and one life you have enough? You want to sit down and stress out over one girl. Fifth send your life down the drain. Talk to me.
Mommy, I trade even understand. It come like say, yo, me can't go on my bed go sleep without a girl.
Yeah.
Trade even know, mommy. Me and fear come here so come easy back to try free my mind, but it come like, I know my mind me come for free, I think me come for think about her.
Stop the thinking. Stop the thinking, you think too much. When you think too much, the brain can't manage it. Mad out you end up, start get mad injection and then something there. So when you mad out now, you left me to stress out myself. Eh? Remember, you know, when you just meet the girl, you know, and you come and tell me about this girl, or you see one nice girl and the girl look nice and the girl this and the girl that, me ask you if you're sure that the girl love you. You say yes, like your God. Eh? When you just start talking to you when they make me know from the beginning say that the girl they love you and you can prove it that she love you. No. Or the other way around is you love she do not.
So how you know say girl I love me, mommy?
All the way she they do to you. You know see it, you're blind. You know see what she do to you. I run the girl want to run you mad. The girl want you to go analyze yourself. Right now the girl have different man her name Stinker Road and you they stress out over one girl.
But then say love blind.
Yes, so you blind you and that me realize that that's why I try to open up your eye them so you can see.
So what you think me fi do?
Me want you feel Leave that girl alone. Stop thinking about her, and God will provide a good, decent woman for you who will love you just the way how you love her. You no need for the love one woman when no love you, and you go spend out all of your life saving for one girl when I want you. I say you fool. No, sir. Me no bring no idiot for you. Me know you're no idiot unless that girl tie you. Unless she obey you. Because you not supposed to make no woman have your round their finger. They grown so. And they lead you. Like you tie one cow or one goat and they carry them a bush, you hold the rope to then follow back at you. I saw the girl I do to you, you know see.
Yeah, I'll take your advice, man. Go
I saw you
leave
tell me the
her.
last time, I saw you tell me the last time, and then me here, so you sit down in a bar, tip tone junk, lay down all roadside, till me I'll never see you come home the night. Take a one girl.
Love that girl, you know.
Yes, me know. But there's other woman out there where we love you even more than how you even love that the girl there. And that me they tell you. You can't stress out over one girl. And I'm not even woman neither, I'm a lady. Look where you stress out over. One little idiot girl.
True, you
No,
know.
me not disrespect you, my son. And I not choose me, I choose you, And they tell you who you fit talk to, But if you look into it, think about it. Think about what me they say. From the time where you and this girl they talk until now, how much money you spend on her, and I know that girl don't show you say she really, really love you for true. Genuine love me they talk about like how you love her. No, think about it. A
No,
wicked.
no,
Other day
sir,
me here
true.
say you take out too much money out of your account and go give her. You know what she do with it?
What she do with it?
Buy ticket for she and man and go to Bahamas.
So
And trick you and tell us say she gonna sentence be up her mother.
no, man, mommy, her mother sick for true. Her romance, them a spread.
Which rumors? Yes, everything me tell about
Mommy,
this
you don't
girl.
understand, mommy.
Me not understand. And you can't understand all know. Look here, some of your friend them, me sure say they tell about that girl there. But you see, because you say you deep in love, you fall in love, you go fall out there the wrong way if you don't listen to me. Take my foolish advice. Leave that girl alone, move on, get up and brush off yourself and start all over again and find a real good loyal woman.
Mommy, we young, man, we enjoy our life. I see him say he love my father
No,
too till I go
well, so,
breed for him.
okay, true you're young. Well, me did young too. Me all know, so me not no sense. So that you try to tell me, say, eh?
Mommy, right now, me I go a one bar, you know.
Here we are.
Cause see me Romal down there, you know.
Jesus Christ, no man. You need to find one other pastor to make them pray for you.
Mommy, right now, me I go a rum bar, you know. Cause we all say come like a most stress you bring to me.
Yeah, okay.
You want to keep your room?
No, go on.
Alright.
You really have to drink more alcohol. Your heart
Mommy,
can't stand up.
me stress out, mommy, I expect. Me soon come back. You go stay here, what?
No, go on. Me alright.
Alright.
You really need prayer. Jesus Christ, no sir.
TV. Yo, we are there, so brother.
You know, see a bar me there.
You there, bar asleep.
You see me asleep.
You there, so asleep, brother.
The man lie, man, bartender.
The
Yeah.
bartender like she gone a bathroom. You see not even know, bro. How I make you there, sir? I first we see her drink rum, sir. How?
Tell us I'm stress out, brother, over my woman. I spend too much money on the girl and her father. And she still not appreciate it. Other man me say she only put in her father.
So she left you? For your next man?
Me not know.
You see me I tell you from when me I tell you, open up your eye.
Kind of
Don't
stress
put
out.
all the egg in one basket, bro. And you know here, you just put all of the egg them in one tray. And all of them broke one time.
Brother, right now,
You know, listen, bro.
Yo, you know smoke.
What a craving here, bro. Tell her that. What a craving.
Right
Me
now.
tell her you.
Rough, brother.
They say when fall, I got big seat on them foot, you know. And I see it, you know, that a girl, they say she's a big whore. And you know, listen. You know, see it printing on forehead, brother. Yo.
Yo.
Christ, me a chat to you sleep, brother. Me a chat to you gonna sleep.
How am I there? Oh, what we did that chat about again?
You're mad out. You're mad.
Brother,
You one girl I'm mad you out. You one girl.
Bro, me love me woman, you know. Me love me woman.
Let me ask you one question. Everywhere you go, you know, see one girl today.
Yeah, but me ask you back one question. Every girl loyal?
Well, some of them loyal.
Your woman loyal?
Listen up. Me no know that. Right now, me there so me don't even know where she at. You understand?
That if you find
But
out.
here one know. Me no, me don't put my egg them in one basket.
Yeah,
right?
no.
You know what that means?
Next question.
It mean is
Basket,
one foot in
listen.
and 1 foot
Come
out.
here, come here, drink and this man I get drunk.
Talk
One more question to ask you.
What?
Why you always so concerned about my relationship, my lifestyle?
Listen. Yeah, my bro from basic school. You want me stand up one side and see a girl that take you for eat and me no come to you and tell her, bro.
So you're a girl and take a feed that?
I mean, say, bro, me don't know. But if you come to me now as a bro and say, yo, a girl that do things, you know, bro. Yeah, put me on my guard.
So,
you see me? So me know say, yo, 1 foot in and 1 foot out. When me catch her, that's just so.
Where you try to tell me now, left my woman. Bro, me love my woman.
So,
me
let me get this out there.
Look, a whole heap of money me spend for my woman, you know?
Yeah, no.
You think me gonna make sure just walk so with all of them money there?
What's me ask? You're not left.
Boy, me don't even know what to say. Cause she make me there run bar right now I drink. Me I hear this about her and that about her, but me don't know what to believe.
But what do you mean here say? You catch her up on one of your dog them yard. No go so.
It's her family. It's her cousin.
What she do to you? She cook 2 piece girl and tie you.
Look so but
She tie you?
must come, me can't live for her. I mean no want live for her. I mean not live for her.
God. She a go look on you and tell you say I fear her cousin lap she sit down, you know.
So
I
what?
saw me, I say go. I saw me here.
She say no. But in her last half,
So you never out there?
in her last half, you know, me ask the dog, you know, she a what to my woman, you know. And she a
Him a what to fear woman?
woman. And him a make me know say a femme woman. So me don't know how it go.
But you know hear that. You know to say I hear that. You want really hear that, you know, dog.
So
You hear what you just explain to me?
so you really a look for your friend and I call me idiot?
You want to hear that, bro. You need to go to church, dog. Go to church, bro. Cause that girl that have you under something.
Right.
Something that girl that have you under.
Man, right now, I want to go somewhere farther than church.
But, you know, let me come out here business.
Yeah, man,
Cause
take your time, go on, man. To hurry up,
you
hurry up.
something a blind side you. When the truth in your face, so it's like you not see it, you look so.
If you know a relationship and no blind, the relationship no good. They say love should blind you. So make it blind me. How did that
Fix
man,
your
man?
business, yeah?
Yo, me
Fix
don't
your
want to
business.
hear him for you, man. Cause you come and call me idiot and what
Yo,
make it.
one thing Me I wish it happen to you know, is mad. Cause that alone left for you do right now.
I got time for me go on my yard now. Bartender, me I go when me come back me pay here. I'm kinda get drunk.
Me, set good. Me glad on me fine, set good. But you have to move me, you say no? Me, why you move?
Where you come from?
Be, baby, you come about up a yard. Me alone if there no time, no time, be. And me miss you when you don't want to come home.
Me dead?
No, be, but tell you move and come and you stand if a good bed. And me up
You
there.
ever come from up a yard and me up a yard and never up a yard?
Be, them that is in the past. I'm going to tell you truth, me sorry.
No, don't
Be,
touch
but
me.
me sorry, be.
The amount of things me hear about you, no come friend me up.
Be, me not friend, baby. You can't to people.
You make this all rich, my mother ears. Say you clone me.
Baby, now, if me that clone, baby, they run back, you know, how far me come. And you will love me.
How you find me?
Me ask people. I mean, know so your mother, they own that stuff. So you have to do your mother there.
You take me to idiot.
No, if you don't hear that, me. Me love you, cannot understand that. People make mistake, you know. Me love you so much. And see something with him.
No, let me go, man. Hold up
Yeah,
your
no.
stress. Take care of me, no.
And see something with him, with the boy, with a puppy. Me and him done the be. I three want mash up for me and for your relationship.
Me know enough. You tell us I know enough.
Yeah, be. But tell us I'm mashing him and mash up relationship in a be, you know what?
Well, you see, anyhow, me catch a boy and me will kill him, you know.
Yeah, for true, be. You know how me know say how much of a relationship. Me see me other day, you know. I know what he said to me, say.
What?
He man look me be, and when my friend them me follow go over and
Yeah,
yard.
you know, say cousin free up, but next time not do them thing because you make me
Alright.
stress out, you make me a drink rum back and rum.
Stop drinking rum, rum not good for you.
You come back now so we can talk.
Yes, come on up.
Get up front side of my son. Get up front side of my son. No, come. Get up front side of my son. You see you? You know, say you not listen to me though. You could never be my son. Something wrong with you. A chicken trick my son?
No, when me a chicken, me love him.
Love what? You could never be my daughter.
He love you, she love
Me
you.
love me. You know, for me I walk come
She
from.
love you.
She love
You
you.
know, for me I walk come from me man.
No, you're science, my son.
No, me not saying that.
You obey my son.
She love me.
Me love
No,
me.
you're telling me son. Look here, going over this. I'm coming growing up. No, man. Something wrong with you. You could never be my son. Why not be that way? What's the problem?
If she never love me, she
Me
never
not say
find
to
me.
come up here and your mother don't want to see we happy neither.
Don't say we believe you.
Yes, come we go.
No, come here. I need to talk. You sit down there, so. Sit down there, so you feel listen when time you
No,
talk.
put
You
your
make
hard. Me make him job.
Hold on. I disrespect you in front of me, son.
No.
You want to put me push over there, son?
No.
Come here, I need to talk to you. I need to say something wrong with you. You put something in your drink?
No.
What happened? What happened with the son and what? Because you know you don't want me from.
Me love a son done to hurt me. We never do nothing to hurt him. So them a talk about me, I lie. You know, true.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you why me no want you be my daughter-in-law. No talk. My son meet nice, intelligent girl from overseas, and all because of you, my son turned that the girl they do. Because me you say you want one girl, you want other woman. You are Saint Mary. Yes. So me know say you do something to my son. He's a wicked girl.
No, so then
you know you
something
don't love my son. I use it to use my
No,
son.
me not use a son. Your son don't even have money for me to use him. I'm gonna use him for.
Look here, look down. Look, you see the Antonia? Me don't go down on him and pray for you.
You know go
Yes, because he there talk rent with me, I will shut your box. Let me tell you something.
Would you tell lie for me no?
Me not tell a lie by you. And what they say? It's think and road, so your time, my son.
Me not
So if
time.
you lose your time, my son, go back same place where you go time, go lose it. Else
Me
you
not
not go like
time.
it.
You see, me the time in the upper yard right now in there so with you.
No, it's my son. He can come anywhere me there.
In there too long, in there too long.
What you mean?
I catch me and pick up in a one fight and in there so. I hold me if you
So
come
you
now.
did love my son so much. Why you and him end up fight?
Me tell you,
Because he don't trust you and he find out say you're liar. But because you come back again if you go and trick him, so you aisle up. You aisle up.
me not tell no. As I go up and go, they don't want.
Where you hold on for me?
Your hand.
Let me go.
They don't want to see me.
Hold on for me, don't touch me no tall. Me no want you
Only
rub me.
love can hurt like this.
Man. Come here, man. How we are going to go home? You ready to come home?
You can't ask that.
No. Ready for wish, let go for my son. Ready for wish, come home. Your man.
When you come home, you are your son, so you can't do things with your son.
No, me no matter about that.
It matter about the thing that
This is my son. See, you're not disrespectful, you're not no manners. Do wish thing with my son. See, you're gone too far now.
Me want to go home with me, man. Jesus Christ, man. When your mother there, you're a man. Turn up like a man.
What a man. Am I son, you're a man. You look like a girl to you. You're not going anywhere with my son.
Why?
And that's final.
Me love him.
Because he's a little war. And you're not stop and have 25 man with me son. You think you're going to give me son no inspection? And you have to go find money to give
Me
me
not 25 man, you know.
Eh?
I want man me have.
Oi. Let me tell you something. You need to go clear it right now. Because I know my son that. My son change.
Give me go clear it then. No, I go home with me, man. Me alone in my bed at night time. When they do run your son.
Come on.
Oh. You see that big belly boy, so me hold him. How do you handle?
You pull me hard.
Listen
Come
to
on.
me.
I'm with my big belly boy.
You see that big belly boy, me hold him.
Yeah.
Oh God, what me want?
He don't want to see me happy.
Listen to me, mommy.
Not to your mother. Look on that.
Jesus Christ. Father God, me I beg you to guide and protect my son from the hands of the devil, because that girl is a witch. Wicked.
Yeah, me I come give you a check now. Come to take the piece of money there in idea. Alright. Where you deal with my father? I can't beat two of man. Go on.
Healing's fine, bad man.
I mean, I don't want to healings from me. Sound not good.
So you don't think me I pray for anything we go on with you with me woman?
What you mean? You can't pray me of a woman, dog? And a far where you far from? Me know you from before, me belly big and something. So you dealing with me?
Oh, so me if you play a fool, I not deal with a certain way for my woman.
Brother, me even call you a day after to find out if you're a girl left or what. Because me tell you, so me never know say you're a girl, virgin.
You see me a drink, you think me drunk?
Me never tell her that, you. But you can't pray me of a girl. You have papers for girl. Show me papers where you have for her. Show me papers now.
No worry ahead. But if me a paper, you see friend like Uno, brother. You see Uno, bro.
So a deep pregnancy have me under then for your woman.
Big belly boy, me no must have you under that pregnancy, my woman.
That's a word, man. They always say, you see friend, you always come to an end. But anything where you depend on that, me a pray here. Anything you pray, that me a pray. So nobody feel like you can grow on me, dog. Because you see a little butter you see that girl. You can style man over.
So they say reach.
Anywhere reach, I say if you reach. Because you make you reach, yes sir.
Alright, try no make me hole in a big belly boy, that me I tell you, you know.
Boy, fire burn for the girl that them. You see a girl take your money and mind me. So the boy I want real fool. Man, I pray me over a girl I don't even know saying they'd have. But from a war I depend boy, I depend that too. Because no boy not take me 3 points.
Sabi, why you call me a restaurant to order one food and start eating already?
No, come in here one and carry out your food and it's cold. So I wait for you to come to my order it.
Oh. Say that come for now.
Chef, you can't share out the food I know here. Give me curry goat for her.
Where?
Phone her.
Where? You say I come boat now.
You know what I'm saying? I cut one of your food, come here, go give me some more title down.
No.
Because me I
Are
buy
you
your food and you want to
calm?
eat out my food, you know.
You come
Yeah,
over
come
now.
on, you have breakfast, so I call her down here to make me have breakfast.
Is that alright?
Yeah, like, for wake up and I see a beautiful face, who cannot be good.
Oh. That's all you come for?
Listen to me, I say, me I talk to you, pause that for a minute.
Alright.
You see a man where you have, where you live with,
Man.
your so-called man where you try to be so-called bad man. They were pretend. Listen to me, I say,
What you say
man.
me have to be not talking
Listen
now?
to me, I say. They were pretend like him is nobody. And when I behave like he want to offer me a shot. But one thing me have to say, if anything when him depend, and that me a pray
Oh
to.
God. Man not talk about.
Hey, listen to me, I say, man, me a talking a question. You see me? There was a murder, being through jail life. And then all of them they think that I put on badness right now and I ease myself. They see if you want me to take up your back, me can do it. And no matter if me the evil have to do it, because all heap of nigga me have right now, I just ring me up ring his phone.
You got you?
And boy, but flick.
You got you?
Listen to me, I say, man. I say something here where you ask me again for. And you see them a clothes that you put on for me too. You know why you put on no more of them.
Actually, me clothes them not dry for the other day because we are not.
What you mean? Lay down in our bed naked.
You could come down and naked.
Yo, listen to me, I say. If I talk to you, I don't want no smile up on your face. Take off the smile. And one thing, I just want to send a message and make you know so the war is on.
Yeah, come go home now.
So you know you may order breakfast. What?
No, I look for my cups. But yeah. I think I have a show.
Yo, come out on my side.
Hello. Fine.
How can you?
You never hear me call you out in front.
No. Oh, that's what I put. Yeah, but that's why I say me a mentor and song, you know? I say, every day me a chop. When I want to put one little part on like catch people there, not really listen, you know? I'm more to an artist, you know?
I know you can sing from your little, you know. A long
Yeah.
time I know you. Anyway, I come to talk to you about my son.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know what happened to him. From my son meet this girl, her name Kayla. It's like this girl turned my son in an idiot. My son can't have no money. He stopped safe completely. Every minute I feel give him money and then something. As we give him the money so he gone. This girl take with every dime, every penny from my son.
Sunday.
I don't know I'm to him. I beg you if I can talk to him.
It's a tip, you know. You talk to Tibi, go. You talk to Tibi, come back. You don't know if you fly 3 years and go through the other one. But me talk to him. I mean, one him more the girl. Me say, Tibi, that girl don't love you. No, the girl love me. Where you are in a relationship, you don't want to see me. I say, Jesus Christ, he might get me wrong every minute. Every minute to me, and you know, most of the time, I tell him, say, people see my woman with man on road and he not believe. He just go to soups.
What do you think?
Or the next years.
What do you think?
I don't know why girl have over him or something. Making him just blind. When the truth in his face, so auntie. He come like he not take notice like that. He not see it.
What do you think about this? You feel that the girl doing something?
I feel that girl have to doing something. That girl have to doing something for my boss. I'm not TV that. That girl have to do something. Something in a something.
Alright, here now. When you talk to him one more time for me, just the last time. If you not listen to me, we understand, because he not take no talk from me neither. I just what the girl say. I eat him put in my brain. You know, listen.
What do you know? Me hear say him go catch the girl in our next mile lap. You understand? And then now me go one bar go see him asleep. Drunk, you know? And me I say, what you do? Say I do asleep. He say, you see me asleep? I say, I'm gone. And me ask him if him and the girl still there. He must say the girl tell him say the youth and cousin. When me I hear say the youth are feeling friend for a long time with that jovial son.
So that means say the girl and that the man there when go catch him with.
The two of them there.
So I trick the girl at truth.
He might trick him about some cousin business or whatever he might
And he fall feet and believe. And me, as in mother, they look on him and tell him the truth. And it's like him not feel.
Is it something wrong with him? That boy, no, one boy to play with him. I tell you, this girl, if you go love that girl, and if you want to take care of her for him, you know, I'm put it. I tell you, and your son, you go tell him too, that the youth there. So that you there.
Please, me, I beg you, talk to him, please.
I go talk to him, because the youth there, he not take no of your answer. Yeah, I'm have to close so. He say, alright, dating. I go talk to him, man. You good though. Just no put the boy up on your head and send up your blood pressure. You understand? No do that. Me go talk to him, me see him again.
I go try. Yes.
Just take a look at time and go.
Alright.
But you don't know nobody for the girl.
I did see her with one woman one time and I know she and that there's somebody they really
Try and find out.
I don't know nobody for them.
Or relative them. Try to do that and get back to me. Or relative. Because I don't know like that, you know.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Just remember to talk to me.
Yeah, man, we go talk.
Alright, thank you. Pagawin. Same thing me come to you about and if you have work to do. Like you stop respect me. You don't respect me no more. Ask your mother. You forgot completely in your brain say me and your mother and me carry your companion so you need to listen to me no matter how old you be. Me can't believe say that on the smoking thing with cigarettes. Same way. Every day your life so. See, because one woman makes me tired to talk the same something. I repeat by myself so till I can't manage it no more. All in myself, I see myself talk to you. Because you're not listening. You're drinking, you smoke. Where you run your life to work for? Baby, you don't know, say. As one girl gone, another one man.
Mommy,
Eh?
you tell us a girl not living about me.
Really?
Every day I go get up the funny one topic, mommy.
Look here, if you want things, say me overprotective. If you want things or your friend them want tell you whether you think it or if you want say me overprotective or whatever. Listen, that is your business. You're my child and me need to protect you from danger. As you don't see it, you're blind. You need to open up your eye then and think before you make the next step in that girl life. You overdo it now. It's like you don't know yourself no more. You look different. Other day you put on a little weight, you make the girl take you off of you like she a vampire. She never have to hold you a little fresh. Every time you sit down, and she a think about the way a little fresh, the flesh gone from your hand to your foot. Now look, the whole of the little flesh gone. When I say the flesh look, it gone straight away. One woman. Listen, if you're tired of me, they come to you about this girl. You need to get over it. And understand and know, say, I am your mother, I'm not going to watch you go down the drain. No, I know some grow you. I tell you 1,000,000 times, I'm not going to stop until you see what you do to yourself. And look into yourself. I know the way you do a foolishness to be. No, I can't take this no more, man. It look like me have to go down to the office and serve and go make a complaint.
But you know.
Me know say you're young. That's why you need to listen to me. Me have to go make a complaint down there and make them counsel you because you need counsel.
Me talk, listen to people like that. No woman good enough. What do you know woman go over me hard brother me I tell her say yo. We are talk about the past and the future. And man let me know say you're children a time to settle them now. So my woman I don't see me at one time. They just all know my business so. Every day I want to look for Grace Street because me they grew up. Me a man I know.
Yeah, you grow already. You're not growing no further. You just need to gain some sense. Look on the other day. Me and you. Eh? They're right over the place at the poolside. And you know what you do? Draw with the girl. Because you don't want me to talk to her. How should I deal with you? That make no sense what you did do? Why you do it? That the God truth. Why you do it? You try to insult me so the girl feel like I say yes, no, she on top. And you prefer to listen to she more than me as a mother. TV, everything where you do wrong, nothing right. Just show up. You're not listening to your friend. You're not listening to me.
One of the worst thing, what you do, can't stop me. That's no woman.
Excuse you? We have to make you just leave you alone and come out of your life and left you if you want analyze you, she analyze you if you want mad, you're mad. If you just know you.
She's my life now, you're a big man. So I care why you tell me say, that can't make me left my woman.
I don't want to stop to my face as I tell you before. You need some confidence, you want me to talk to them and make them get to talk to you?
I just tell her say me I'm a woman good.
Where you look from? Where you look from?
Oh, you have the lighter?
This? Mm-hmm. Now go get have to go buy the next one. It's what you say? A pure foolishness. So guess what? It no matter what you want to say to me, I'm going to go down there at the office and talk to them about you. And you need to, let me tell you something, you need to listen to people them. That's when I talk to them and then call the phone and try and make a date when you can go down there. Because you need counseling.
Right now, fresh me. You go over my woman, you go look here.
I wonder what she do to you, so.
Right now,
or what she really do to you.
You soon come back now, yeah. Soon come, don't move.
Around and stay there.
Yeah, I'm going to hear them in a system, so I can't take your auntie.
Oh, it's me auntie. When last you come around, so only when you stress and depressed, you come and say no.
No, girl, that's not clothes. I can't wash my puppy.
You wash man's clothes?
Yes, we left me hanging on the back part. You understand? My beard, I never have no clothes. And he said, one suit come.
You just a swing, so swing.
Yeah, girl.
Swing-a-ling.
I'm a man clothes, you know.
So, Mama.
I know, so Tibi never yet give me clothes to put on.
Mama, can't Tibi maga, your maga, like, the clothes, Tibi clothes, them are stuck your ear. You don't plan for love, puppy alone.
At that, you walk all the way from Red Gum, come all the way around, that's what you can tell me, say.
You walk from Red Gum, come to West End, come tell you that, yes. Because, you see, puppy having woman now, puppy having woman.
Breaking news, puppy no have no woman, and me the only woman a puppy have.
Who tell you that?
And any girl me catch with puppy, and me a deal with that.
Who tell you that?
Girl, now me a see the clothes them.
Mama,
It's a
are
stand.
you in the clothes, but who buy it?
Puppy.
Oh, you know that? Me say, you see you know have no sense. You left good man. Gone there with this big belly man.
Me no left
Him
the
belly
man.
good, the bigger than something with the underneath.
You have a right to belly bigger than underneath, because underneath tight. Miss Grippy, she under
Mama,
you so.
me not attack you, me attack the man.
Oh, you attack man. Actually, you point under you so. So me think I insult you, insult me underneath.
Mama, me attack the man.
Oh, well, anyways, puppy something what I have is very good. And don't worry about that. Don't talk about
Say I
my
was
man.
side chick or what?
I mean the person woman and other woman did the way you talk
Woman,
about.
who tell say I the personal woman?
Remember, girl, look on my finger. Look on this.
Who get that?
Ring. Puppy.
How who get that a wash out belly this something there?
The wash out belly man. At least me have something on my finger. We have to prove. You know, have
Mama,
not
me
a
not have
man.
no man, so me not gonna have nothing
My
to
girl,
prove.
you know, I jealous, I'm bad man.
Oh, if you want a man, me can get a
Me
man.
don't long talk because you're ungrateful girl. You work from all the way red gun come all the way and west step come tell me left my man alone.
Mama, me come fi call Tia to ask you what is your plan because listen to me. You cannot have 2 months for too long.
That's not question. Is the puppy black woman?
Mama, I don't even know how puppy look. Oh, me I go see me the man when you never meet him.
Yeah.
Come and meet him now. Come.
Alright, but so you say you see him with woman then. You know you
Mama, me never tell
woman.
you see me with woman. Me say suppose you having woman. Who tell us no
Don't
woman
use the
by
word suppose.
come
man.
and me-
Come and
come.
meet me man, come.
It's a big dummy man. Girl, so what kind of bush this year man living now?
As you come here this me man yeah.
Mama, me not this the man yard. Me a this the bush.
How can be?
What's
You
up?
see him?
Friday, Friday to the name.
What's up?
Me alright. Me my friend.
Hi.
Shani.
Hi.
Nice meeting you.
Are you name Puppy?
Me said one name.
Oh, you have a belly.
Right, that is it.
Yeah.
So what happened?
What about?
There, you know, say, my banana, them
Come
there.
is
Is that around us you live? I have somewhere.
No, I just think them my plant there.
I'm
So
back
me there look
girl.
one.
Oh.
And all of them this.
No, some of them left on the line. None of them are dry.
So make you put on my clothes now.
Cause me never have to put on. So I have to put on it.
You know,
You look good
easy,
night.
You know. I know man, just want to show a sign of ownership.
Yes. See it my man.
So you have to feed there, you can help me.
Yeah, me
Deal
can
with
help
some
you
of
the
them,
way I
yeah.
deal with. My girl.
You turn bush girl.
No about that, you know you will fail
She
ya.
collect her money out tight, so
Mama.
not wrong if she help
My
me.
phone in your pocket, you
I like helpful
do
woman.
something for me.
What that?
Go on yourself with some glass of water.
Mama, no water there.
Mama go look.
If water
Listen.
did there,
Don't make
Alright.
yourself comfortable.
No, yes,
You can't
watch-
get water down there,
No,
man.
set go roll no water on it. Set your body good, baby.
so like how you one plant, no, I don't want nothing else.
Of course, I own a lot of things. I can own you if you want to.
Let's start off with my number now.
No problem. It's not me I say, it means a man I like my thing them
Me
secret.
like my thing private too.
So, me no want you to make your friend know for me and no dealings.
No, she not have to know. Right now, she have a problem to deal with. About 3 months she there with now. About
Alright.
3 months she there right
So
now.
how much you have? 4?
Me single like a bird. No man know I'm there, so me too miserable.
You know what I say?
See me number here.
Your friend, when me meet your friend, you know, she tell me that she's single, you know, and then you have money, you know, so hope, you know, tell me say you're sick.
Girl,
So as me I tell you, say,
girl.
from me,
You
12
remember
me
we
start
time.
do
I tell
them.
you what I did things I like. No water today. What I did, Mr. Member say what I did. That's why I'm gonna wash my man clothes and my sister.
You know,
alright,
babe, me I
later.
tell her, say, from me at 12,
Hey,
me
ma,
start do them,
yeah,
thing,
ma,
I
tell
come
me
my father
them something.
normally do them at work, yeah. But, you know, showing turn
Okay,
old man and
anyway,
stuff,
so
me take
later.
over.
Later, find your yard. I know you here.
A nice
Bye-bye.
meeting here.
Yeah, nice meeting.
No nice meet her. Turn on your damn face on your so.
Alright, babe.
So now, come. Me hungry. You cook banana for me, babe?
You want banana?
Yeah, me hungry.
You know, say a long time I eat porridge, banana porridge.
You make banana porridge?
Yeah, we can look about that.
Alright, now you. Me go lie down and cook up my food. I'm tired. Come on.
And you miss me and come check.
Auntie, me I go me the wash some clothes down there. And then me be and come up and say me I go and go to cut the clothes then. So you get any darker. So me just
So how long you take?
Me not take long, me say take up the clothes and come up there.
Alright, when me feel go up here, I go easy
You
back.
can go up there and wait till you come.
Do that, me have it.
Alright.
I watch you ready, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't stay long
Me
either.
not turn long.
Alright.
Later. Me have a nightmare.
What the hell if you have nightmare in the morning now?
Be I want bad dream, be I want bad dream. What is it?
Watch you, man. One thing.
You have a bad dream, babe. Can you wake me up?
What kind of dream you have?
While rolling, you have to run me down.
Yo, hear me have to say now. And listen, me have to say good. You see me there to sit down and meds. Me have something to tell you. And then I ask you, I tell you what to do. Hear me I say now. You see them either boy that down there so we have named TB. You go pick is either me or him.
But remember,
But what? Lock your mouth and finish talk. Me say you have to pick is either him or me. Because you see that the man there in the my enemy list. And if a boy gone pan that, there's no way the link can build back.
But you know do nothing.
What you mean I do nothing? And I ask me, I tell you what to do, you know.
But
And from,
indeed it.
listen, and from me and you a chat, you can't depart my enemy. Say if you pick me or him.
But,
And I tell you what to do, and I ask you.
but indeed I be you know do nothing.
But what?
You know do nothing.
So me not tell you already when do, what you mean when do? You can't want war me. Me and him the boy there we a friend from how long. Me did know say and him there answer a question. Me say me did know that. Me did know who your man be.
No.
I need the answer, talk to me.
No, but we can't live as one.
Live as which one? I'm thumb down to
Please stop me, you can't live as one.
Live as which one? Listen what me I say. Me need the answer, me or him. You see, for him, you just take your things them and go through the door. If for me, you go for your things them from down there moving, coming as up. I need the answer in the next 3 seconds.
But you need the
Me
force.
say, me need the answer in the next
You
3
need
seconds.
the force me.
So me I say, as a matter of fact, get your things them and come back up and say, no.
Alright,
And don't make me wait
I
for
get
you
on the
to
bag. I get on the bag.
carry down what kind of bag. Now get me say I get your things and come back.
But I have to carry the bag to put the clothes every night.
Yo, move quick.
No, be a day with me, so.
You have 4 minutes.
Alright.
Feel like no boy can grow my badness and them still a link. Oh, I'm tell you.
Oi.
Yeah? B.
Where you come from?
B, me come from my auntie.
So long.
Me just wake up.
So we did that do so make you just wake up.
B, me tell her what happened. Expect you. So I go for my auntie last time she take up the clothes them. And when I come back down, she did say she has some food for give me. So she give me food. The food because I'm catching niggeritis. Me just chop asleep. I couldn't wake up beef. I don't know what in food.
You know long one see him talk to you about something.
I'm still love you sleep for sleep. You want to talk to me about now. You sleep comfortable? Sleep alright?
That the boy there, you sure say him a cousin? Where a chum pan a kiss at it? Ask you a question, answer it.
I'm tell you the truth. If I say I'm going to left.
No, me I'll go right. Answer my question. What? You are real what?
Please sometimes you just can't manage, man. You just can't let go certain things.
Once more. You sure say you're not a big belly fat boy there? A cousin?
Cousin.
Are you what?
And I mean nothing. The reason I did lie to and did cheat on him with you, but me I never have sex. When he just start to talk.
Hold on. See, I tell me say you really treat me with him.
Yeah, but me and him never do nothing. We only hug up and kiss. We never do no intercourse or nothing like that.
You sure that alone no do?
Me sure be you did it with me. Me I'm not even talk like you see the day when they come up there. I did the first day we ever meet.
I wonder if I really trust or believe him. Me confused. I don't know if I trust or if I believe him.
Me I tell you, we never do it like that. And the reason I didn't even do it to be actually give somebody a phone, I never did believe. When I think you dog give me bun. And then again my friend tell me say, yeah, look her and this. So me be say your dog give me bun.
No, why you know?
So I say my dog give back bun.
But you see next time me glimpse or see something like that. When me see what you just don't say over. You finish. Me I give you one chance, you know. One chance. Them say nobody not perfect still, you know. Me I give you one last dig chance. You hear what me say?
I say, alright, we good now. Me I tell you the truth, me I'm never do no intercourse.
We
like
good,
that.
but we not good. If you know, you know. We good, but we not good. Because when me see with my 2 eye, night me out.
You talk too much to me, and me not in the argument. So let me hold a fire right a second. Me exhausted, me tired bad. The bed upstairs is very uncomfortable. It's like something big in the pan.
Now go up and read and come back now.
Drop the door.
Make sure when you come back now, you're still in my house. Now.
Mm-hmm. I no look a taxi over there on the road. No, come get Timmy. So Timmy,
Yo,
I said I go walk past me.
never see you there, sir.
So what, me alright?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, me good. Come over here, man. Come on the road.
Why you so happy?
Then I want me to do sad. Me can't sad you fi sad.
What make you say that?
Then me not hear say you catch scale up on man lap.
Who tell her that?
Hear me here, stinking like a village.
Well, now, but around here in a long time, you know you. Yeah, for real, but.
So you're not still there?
You're my woman.
So are you woman and you catch her with man and you still a one her? You know no sense.
Good. We alright.
You fool and fake like the pole up on your shot.
Eh? You go and watch my business.
You need somebody
Watch your
serious. What kind of business? You can't hear nothing about me. You can't hear nothing about me because once me not have no money now. That's a ban.
So yeah, I said my woman not serious.
If in this serious thing, you got to take out a man. And the worst part about this is a big belly man.
Well, me and my woman comfortable. We alright. We all live good.
So you're afraid to get born again?
Nothing can.
Well, if you know your father, you live with your father. Well, for your father, because you go grab your father next.
So really that the top if you tell me or ask me.
So you ain't talk to me. Me ain't a malice now. Your girl give a bun.
Yo, don't offer that because me and my woman good and the reason why I never want to tell her true last time. You see me a flirt with me. I mean I like that.
So, something wrong with my flirt today?
Me not like that. You're my woman a friend. You
So that no say.
Flirt with me.
Me. So me ask you something. The man that you catch her in a animal.
I'm a friend.
Okay, friend and friend.
But probably my friend never knows you for me woman.
Well, big act like me don't know say and I did it.
No, me can't act because me know.
Then left her.
Man, you know what? You go down the road there, man. Cause
Wow, no taxi me a wait pan. Me say, why? Me don't know when you not gonna have sense. You feel like you're shot.
a big belly boy. Come and come walk past us and tough up your face.
Boy. No, yes, a boy.
What you mean?
Leave line and on chat into the air. Yeah. Who laugh last, laugh best.
Yeah, I'm gonna laugh it best. Try know that. Fat and stink and sour. But who laugh last the best. You know how we are rampant boy.
When you hear them shot the radio fire, I pop it and I shut up the place. So, if you don't want to see what I'm going, like, share and subscribe to part 3. You understand? Subscribe and share up. Yeah? I move from that spot before more shot bus.